Welcome to this ASP.NET Core Scheduler control tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Scheduler appointments to an Excel document. You will also learn how to export documents with custom fields, individual occurrences of recurring series, and custom event data. I will also show you how to change the file name, file format, and column headers. First, I open my existing ASP.NET Core application where I have added the basic code to render the scheduler. To learn more about integrating the scheduler component into an ASP.NET Core web application, please check the Getting Started video linked in the card above and the description below. Let me run this application by pressing the F5 key. See, the scheduler component is rendered with the provided appointments. First, to export events to an Excel document, I need to add a toolbar item. So I include the ActionBegin event and assign the callback method on ActionBegin. I then add the script element and define the method on ActionBegin. Inside this method, I add an if condition to check whether the request type is toolbar item rendering to proceed further. I declare the variable export item and set basic options like the text to Excel export and the prefix icon to the icon Z export Excel. I push this export item to the items property. Checking now, the Excel export toolbar option is added. When I click this toolbar item, appointments should be exported to Excel. So I bind the click event to this item and assign the callback method on export click. I define this on export click method here. Before proceeding further, I need to get the scheduler instance to access its built-in methods. So I create an instance for the scheduler component and call the export to Excel method using the scheduler instance. When I click this Excel export item, appointments will be exported to the Excel file. Notice here that all the default fields mapped to the scheduler component are exported. I can also export appointments with some specific fields. To do that, I declare the variable export options and set the fields ID, subject, start time, end time, and location. Then, I pass this export options variable to the export to Excel method. When I click this item, the downloaded Excel document contains only the fields specified. Next, I'll show you how to export scheduler appointments with custom column headers. Inside the onExportClick method, I declare the variable custom fields. In each object, I specify the column's name and assign a custom name using the text property. Then, I add the field's info property in the export options and assign the custom fields variable. Notice here the Excel document has been generated with the columns specified in the field's info property and customized based on the provided custom texts like summary, start date, end date, and place. By default, the Excel document's name is schedule. To change that, I include the file name property in the export options and assign the value appointments. When I export the document, it will be saved as the file named appointments. Next, I edit this appointment to repeat weekly on every Thursday. But when I export it, the exported Excel document contains only the original appointment. To export all the occurrences, I enable the Include Occurrences property in the Export options. See, now I'll export the appointments and open the Excel document. I filter the records with summary, aliens versus humans. And all the occurrences were exported to the Excel document. By default, the Excel document will be exported in XLSX file format. You can also save the Excel document as a CSV file format. To do that, add the Export Type property in the Export options and assign the value CSV. See, the scheduler appointments are exported as a CSV document. Finally, I will show you how to export the custom event collection to an Excel document. I add the property custom data to the export options and assign a few appointments with custom fields. See here, the Excel document contains the custom event collection details. In this video, I showed you how to export ASP.NET Core Scheduler appointments to an Excel document and use some basic options. You can download a working example of this from the GitHub link in the description for this video below. You can also see if you're eligible for our community license, which will get you a free license key to use our ASP.NET Core products. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to our channel.